I think in the last video we was working on the front of the tongue up there, which you can't see that I'm pointing at, but it's up there, believe me. I'm looking right at it. Anyways, let's take a look at it. And as you can see, I got it primered up. We ground all this stuff off here. We removed all the stuff in the center here. There was a battery box in here, and then there was some chain stuff on here. Down in here we took off. Then I took my grinder and I grinded all this down to as close to bare metal as I could get. Then I put some primer on there just to keep it from rusting, although it is rusting a little bit there, but I'm not concerned about that. But today what we're going to work on are these outriggers right here. We got outriggers the whole length, and there's a couple back there by my tripod, and then on the other side the same thing. We're cutting all them outriggers off. We're going to get that stuff cut off. We're going to get these bolt heads ground off here, and then we are going to sand all this stuff down. We're probably going to cut this off right here, same way on the other side where it's bent over there. We got all the outriggers off that, basically the driver's side, the left-hand side. We worked our way back the passenger side. At the back we got a set of steps, because this used to be a camper trailer. And they got steps. We're in the process of cutting them off. And I might have to pull the trailer out a little bit, that's fine. Okay guys, let's take a look at this real quick. These are the steps I'm talking about. And they got the tops cut on both of them. You can see it there. You can see it there. And I got a cut down inside here. Same way over there, upside down shot there for you. But I'm out of discs. You can see here I broke one of my discs, so I can't use that one. And my other two, this one here and this one here, are too small to do anything with. So, and my grinder, I busted my grinding wheel up too. It's pretty much shot. So I need a grinding wheel, a couple grinding wheels, a couple cutting discs, and I need a couple more of these things. I'll be using these things up a lot too. So anyways guys, check the links in the description box below. Go in the comment section, give me a comment. Like this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.